how was this hackathon overall?
Okay, it was very rewarding, very exciting, but exhausting at the same time. We were able to work with a bunch of cool projects such as the graph, ingesting lots of data and learning a lot along the way.
I think it feels great when you find a project where you can work with and you feel very comfortable talking to the team and also getting the results that you were looking for. Thanks to the expert that you get, the documentation, the exploring, and also the support by the community.